Hey, what's up everybody? It's Biggs with LimeTime Garage. Today we're doing a different little video. This video is actually for a fellow member of our car club, Santana Car Club, that has passed away. He's been battling a pretty big health battle for a long time, and unfortunately he's no longer with us. His name is Jojo Ramos, and like I said, I have many years knowing that guy, and he's a brother of mine with the car club, and we had so many good times, so many crazy moments, different crazy shows and whatnot. And today we're doing a little gathering here for donations for the family. It's kind of crazy, like things happen. It's so sudden with this COVID. These things happen so quick, and one day he's all right, the next day he's not. So it's a little sad, but it's kind of a victory for myself, because I'm able to get the car out here. Yeah, I know it's a challenge for me to do it, because I can't just grab the car how I want to and when I want to, like everybody else. But I'm able to bring the car. I got the car out here today. I'm definitely going to be just showing it up here in support with the car club, and doing my part. Drop the donation off for him, for his family, and we're just gonna take a cruise around here, take a look and see what's out. And we're always thinking about you, Jojo, and I appreciate all those times you helped me out, and help work on my car, my Impala that I had, and all the other cars, man. You've always helped me, and you taught me a lot of stuff too. When I was wrenching, the first time I was in the shop, he taught me a lot of stuff. So anyways, I'm gonna cut it short right now, and we'll get to the cars here. There's a lot of beautiful cars that are cruising around, and we'll show you the Cutlass. It's out here and it's all cleaned up, as clean as it'll probably get for now. But anyways, we'll show it off. There she is. She finally made it. Finally got her running really good. We got the carburetor all rebuilt. Man, this thing runs like just as good as my daily right now, if not better. So there's some things we're going to be doing in here, probably like 2 weeks or 3 weeks from now. But everything first is going to be focused on getting the plates and stuff done. I still got my little temporary plaque in the back. It allows me to drive around, but she made it. We cleaned all the dirt off of her, and tried our best, to get it running right. So it definitely runs a lot better than it did. We got a couple other cars here. Everybody's coming through right now. A badass car right here. Look at this Monty. Really badass. So anyways, I'll get a couple shots and we'll see what else happens. What's up, you guys? So I didn't record an outro for that last couple shots. It's the next day. It's actually a couple days later. So yeah, it was really cool to be able to go to, you know, see everybody at the little lowrider meet. It was awesome. You know, it wasn't a big deal as far as like a lot of cars, but it was really cool to be there. And actually, that was the first time I've taken my Cutlass to any, you know, actual event of any sort. So that was cool. And you know, it's not 100%. I just got the car, you know, so it's gonna take a while for that to be where I want it. But you know, it was really it was like a bittersweet thing, you know. Sad that, you know, we're there to remember Mr. Jojo, you know, our buddy, our club brother with Santana Car Club. But at the same time, it's wonderful to be able to finally have a car, be able to go to the meet, and you know, just pull up and just have fun. Like, the most coolest thing was driving all the way across Orange County, taking side streets, chilling, not really like worried about if the car's running right. The car's running perfectly. And just, you know, I don't have any stereo in it, so I literally have like this little JBL speaker, and it was just bumping some tunes, just what I could hear. So like I said, it's kind of crazy. You know, all in all, it was just wild that, you know, we're able to do that, have fun, enjoy ourselves, enjoy the night. And you know, so anyways, I don't want to extend this out too long, but there's more videos to come, hopefully more meets. We're gonna have a cruise in his honor on October 10th. It's gonna be a Sunday, and it's gonna be cool. We'll be able to cruise all day and just have fun and hang out with more people who knew him and share his memories and stuff. And you know, he was a real cool guy, and he had so many ways to like teach you how to do stuff, and just, you know, funny guy all around, and just always had some cool sayings. Always liked to, you know, have everything lined up, man. The way he liked to do stuff was cool, and well respected. And I'm gonna share one story about this guy. The first year he got his Regal ready to go for Super Show in Las Vegas, he drove it all the way out there. He didn't trailer it, he drove it all the way out there. Halfway out there, he blows one of his pistons, or it was a rod. It was a rod that something blew on the piston, and it was knocking like crazy. So they pulled over, they look at it, and they're like, you know, it's not leaking any oil, it's just busted inside there, so we're gonna drive it till it blows up. And they literally drove it all the way to the show, showing like heart and pride, you know, with the car club. And now, I've never made the Vegas trip myself. My car could probably do it right now, no problem. But it's a different animal when you're driving that far and it's hot out, and your engine is already really hot, and now you're in the desert with that, you know what I mean? And like, you're on your tires that, you know, not really intended to go so far. So anyways, the heart that he showed with that, I wasn't there, but the stories that I heard about him, he literally pulled up in that, because he only had a certain time frame to check into the show, but he pulled up and his car was like, and they were like, you know, shut it off. And he's like, no, tell me where to park. I'm showing it's not leaking oil, I'm gonna show it, and then we'll fix it after the show. And he did. He showed it, he fixed it after the show, and he was very prideful of that. So that was cool, you know. And I only wish that someday I could be as cool as him and show up there with my car, you know, to that show. That's the Super Show, you know, Vegas. You want to be at that show, especially the year you bust out, you want to be there, you know. So it's going to be a while, I think, for my Cutlass to get to that level, but I'll always remember you telling the story about that. And to me, that was like so awesome to see the heart and the situations that you had to go through, you know. But anyways, we're gonna miss you, Jojo, and not the same without you, man. And you know, it was kind of crazy because I was just talking to you about getting my car painted at the same place you painted your wife's car. So it's just it's hard to deal with. So anyways, I wanted to leave it with that funny story and something positive on the way out. But anyways, I'm bad at, you know, cutting these videos short. So have a nice day. Thank you so much for, you know, watching. If you like these videos, thumb up, you know, throw some comments in there. What do you think about the show? A lot of cars, a lot of cool stuff to see. So let me know, and we'll make it to another one. All right, until then, catch me in traffic. See you.